Welcome back to the training. In order to add the holes on this fixed jaw here, we need to go to Assembly Features, drop-down menu, and select Hole Wizard. Let's select the hole type, hole, just hole, and see metric. Leave it as it is. 6 mm is absolutely fine. Line 20 mm. Let's measure the diameter here. Evaluate, measure. It's 15 mm. So 15. This is 25 mm. So we have area to place a ball around here. 15, let's say plus 10, 25 mm depth. Enter. All components, positions, 3D sketch. Set the orientation at the back. One bolt here and one bolt here. Escape. Select this point. Hold Control key at the keyboard. Select this point here and make them along Z. Okay. Draw a center line between this and this point here. Escape. Select the view orientation at the back. Select center line. Find the midpoint of this center line here. Go down to find the midpoint, the origin. Okay. Escape. Select this line. Select along Y. Select this center line. We need to be at the XY axis. From this point to this line here. Escape. Select this line along X. Now we're in the middle of this component here. Set the view orientation to the front one. Select the smart dimension. Select the center line. And type here 60. Perfect. Smart dimension to exit the smart dimension. Select OK. And here we are. Thanks for watching. The next tutorial we're gonna start creating the equations.